Okay, so Samsung just launched its latest foldable lineup and we got a hands-on with them, be it the new member of the Galaxy Z Fold8 series or the addition of a Fold Ultra or the watches and the new smart glasses. Here's our quick wrap of the Galaxy Unpacked event. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8, this is the new kid on the block. The cover display is a wide 5.5-inch panel with the internal display unfolding to a big 7.6-inch display. Both are 120Hz panels and the chassis is IP48 rated with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 3 cover screen and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the back. The hinge also now uses titanium alloy, making folding and unfolding feel lighter while reducing crease visibility over long time use. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8 gets a dual 50MP rear camera setup with 10MP selfie shooters on the cover and internal displays. Talking of the specs, this gets Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip for Galaxy with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB of storage. With a 4800 mAh battery backing it and at 201 grams, Samsung says it is their lightest fold so far. For this new form factor, you'll have to shell out 1,79,999 rupees. Moving on to the even more compact phone, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip8. Samsung has brought it down to 180 grams and 6.1mm of thickness while retaining the familiar flip form factor. This also gets IP48 water and dust resistance with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the cover and glass fiber reinforced polymer at the back. The cover display is a 4.1-inch panel and the main display is a 6.9-inch panel, both featuring 120Hz refresh rates. There's a 50MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 10MP selfie shooter on the inner display. Performance duties are handled by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip for Galaxy, combined with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB of onboard storage. And these specs will be running Android 17 with One UI 9. And coming to power backup, the Galaxy Z Flip8 is packing a 4300 mAh battery with 25W wired fast charging support. This phone starts at 1,24,999 rupees. And finally, Samsung's Ultra badge has now come to the foldable lineup. Coming in at 4.1mm thickness and 215 grams of weight, the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra is packing a 6.5-inch cover and 8-inch internal display. Again, both with up to 120Hz refresh rate. IP48 rating here too, with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 3 on the cover screen and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the back. The Ultra specs continue with it packing a 200 plus 50 plus 10MP camera setup at the back with a 10MP cover and 10MP internal screen cameras. The Ultra also gets Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB of storage options, running Android 17 with One UI 9 on top. With its 5000 mAh battery, you're getting 45W wired and 20W wireless charging support, and with all of that, the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra starts at 1,99,999 rupees. Now, aside from the folds and the flip, Samsung showcased 3 more products in 2 categories. First is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Familiar Samsung watch design, but it looks like there's tweaks around the straps on this one. With IP68 rating and military standard 810H certification, the display has sapphire glass for protection, running a Super AMOLED panel with 3000 nits of peak brightness. This gets 2GB memory and 32GB onboard storage. Now all of this is powering Wear OS 7 with One UI 9 watch. The Watch 9 starts at 67,999 rupees. And then there's the Watch Ultra 2. Again, a familiar design but major changes under the hood, including an 800 mAh battery, new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, while being the world's first smartwatch with 5000 nits of peak brightness. The Ultra 2 will come in 2 colors, titanium silver or titanium grey. Both the Watch 9 and Ultra 2 will come with sleep apnea detection feature. And the Watch Ultra 2 starts at 64,999 rupees. Now before we go, here's a quick look at the latest Samsung smart glasses that claim to simplify everything from notifications to reminders and translating texts. Now for the detailed review of all of this tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360. My name is Manik Beri and I'll see you in the next video.